Welcome to Roam Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content like this. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. This video reflects my personal experience using the product service. In this video, we're taking a closer look at 3, a popular UK mobile network provider, found online at 3.co.uk. 3 offers a wide range of mobile plans, including SIM-only deals, pay-as-you-go options, and contracts with the latest handsets. Navigating their website, you'll find details on their coverage, which boasts extensive 4G and 5G availability across the UK. 3 is known for its competitive pricing, often offering attractive data bundles and international roaming options. They also provide various add-ons, such as device insurance and entertainment packages. When considering 3, it's worth comparing their offerings to other major UK providers to ensure you're getting the best deal for your specific needs. Investigating customer reviews and independent comparisons can offer valuable insights into the quality of their service and network performance. Remember to carefully consider factors like data allowance, contract length, and any upfront costs before making a decision. 3's website provides a helpful tool to compare different plans, making it easier to find the perfect option for your usage. They also highlight their customer service options, including online chat, phone support, and in-store assistance. Be sure to examine the terms and conditions associated with each plan, especially regarding data usage limits, roaming charges, and early termination fees. While 3 presents a compelling range of mobile solutions, conducting thorough research is crucial to ensuring it aligns with your individual requirements and budget. It's advisable to explore their network coverage map to confirm adequate service in your area, particularly if you live in a more rural location. Don't hesitate to leverage online resources and forums to gather additional feedback from existing 3 customers. This can provide a more nuanced perspective on the network's reliability, customer service responsiveness, and overall user experience. 3. Accessible via 3.co.uk definitely warrants consideration in your search for a UK mobile provider.